Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech and this is the speed test between the Samsung S9 Plus and the Google Pixel 2. I have the Indian variant of the S9 Plus and it sports the Exynos 9810 octa-core processor with Mali G72 MP18 GPU. Google Pixel 2 sports the Snapdragon 835 processor with Adreno 540 GPU. Here are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 20 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way guys, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. For the first 16 applications, difference between both the phones was very small, but when it comes to the games, S9 Plus was significantly faster. So guys, in the solo speed test, S9 Plus was 15 seconds faster than Google Pixel 2. That's a huge lead. Let's see how they perform side by side. Now in this regular speed test, I'll open the first 16 applications on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way guys, S9 Plus is a brand new phone and apart from these applications, it is completely empty. There are no other apps installed or running in the background. And Pixel 2 is my primary device and it has a lot of applications installed. I have tried to uninstall some foreground applications, but still it has a lot of applications and some of them might be running in the background. So let's see how they perform. For these 16 applications, difference between both the phones was very small. Sometimes the Pixel 2 was faster and sometimes S9 Plus was faster. But if we consider the games, S9 Plus will be the winner in the speed test, and if you are considering the regular applications, then you can consider the speed test as a tie. Now let's see how these phones perform in the memory management round. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. By the way, S9 Plus comes with 6GB of RAM and Pixel 2 has just 4GB of RAM with more applications running in the background. Memory management on Samsung has been greatly improved, so in the memory management round, it is definitely the winner. But considering how loaded the Pixel 2 is, it also has performed reasonably well. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.